Welcome back everyone. So today I will be showing you that how you can completely wipe out your Windows PC and laptop before selling it out. So if you are planning to sell your laptop or PC, or if you're trying to troubleshoot any kind of problem when everything else has been failed, then you must try this method that will be clean installing the fresh copy of Windows. Now before starting guys, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, turn the bell notification on so that you can get all these videos notification. And you can also join my membership where you can live chat with me to fix any of your PC and laptop problem. Okay, so now in order to wipe out everything from your Windows, you will have to click on your Windows search, type reset, and then from the suggestion you will have to click on reset this PC. Now here under the recovery option, you will have to click on reset PC. And now it will give you two different options, keep my files and remove everything. So we don't have to keep any kind of file. So you will have to choose the second option that says remove everything. Click on it. And now next it says how would you like to reinstall Windows, and it gives you two different options, cloud download and local reinstall. So let me explain you both of them. Now if you go with the cloud download, it will be downloading the fresh copy of Windows and then it will be reinstalling it. So that means if you had any kind of settings on your Windows 10 or 11, everything will be deleted as the fresh copy of Windows will be installed. The second option is local reinstall. If you go with the local reinstall, it will be reinstalling the Windows with the copy that is already saved on your current Windows operating system. It's recommended that you should go with the cloud download. And if you go with the cloud download, it says it can use more than 4 GB of data. Alright, so you have to make sure that you are ready to use 4 GB of data. Then you will have to click on cloud download. And now this is the most important part, and it says additional setting. The current setting says remove app and file, do not clean the drive, download and reinstall Windows. So what you will have to do here, you will have to click on change settings. And here it gives you two different options, clean data and download Windows. So it's very important that you should enable this option because we have to go with the clean data option. As we have to sell this laptop or PC and we don't want that any kind of data should be there, and even no one can access the deleted data from our drive. Alright, so you will have to enable this option and then you will have to click on confirm. Again click on next and it will say this PC was recently updated. If you continue this reset this PC, you won't be able to undo the update. Alright, so we don't have to undo it. So finally click on next and it says getting things ready. So just wait for some time. And now it will give you the final preview that ready to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal file and user account on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove all application and program, download and reinstall Windows. And in the note section it says this will take a while and your PC will restart. Cloud download can use more than 2.68 GB of data. Alright, so finally you will have to click on reset. And the process will now be started. So now this time you will have to wait until it's all been done. Alright, so once the installation will be finished, it will be asking you the country or region. So choose your country, location, click on yes. Choose the keyboard layout that you want to go with, then you will have to click on yes. Alright, so now you have to name this PC. So I will name it as test PC, then you will have to click on next. So now how would you like to set up this device? So you can go with the work or school. I will go with personal use. I will select it, click on next. And now it will be asking you for the Microsoft account. So if you have a Microsoft account, then you can go ahead and sign in. I just want to skip it. So I will be using a small trick. Like I will type any Hotmail account, username, click on next. Now I will type some random password, some wrong password. And now if I click on sign in, so you will be getting a message, oops, something went wrong. And this time if I click on next, and now I can give any kind of name to my local account. So again, I will give like testing PC and then click on next. And now it will ask you to enter the password. So go ahead and type whatever password you need. Alright, bingo. So now you can see that our Windows 11 has been successfully reinstalled, and now we have successfully cleaned each and everything, and there is nothing on our hard drive or SSD. So if I bring up the file explorer and if I go to this PC, local drive C, so there is nothing a part of the Windows installation file. Even if I go to download, document, pictures, music, none of the data and the application exist on this computer now. Right, so now it's ready to deliver your computer to anyone, whomever you are selling, or if you want a new fresh PC, then you are good to go. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.